So this is a great place to close it out
Yeah.
to, from where we were at the top. Um, you have a choice as a parent. You can live blindly and unconsciously and just do whatever you want, eat whatever you want, drink whatever you want, breathe the air that whatever you want, put skin products on whatever you want, inject whatever you want. But there are consequences to that. And the conventional wisdom tells you you don't have to worry because none of those choices matter. We've got things to help you. Or you could be accountable and responsible. You can be curious and create experiences. You can try things. You can observe the choices that you make and the consequences of those choices. And you could try to look at the root causes and the root contributing factors of what may have brought those conditions on in the first place.
Hmm.
And I promise you, you don't need the conventional wisdom to put a stamp of approval on it.
Hmm.
It's your job and you are the consumer and you get to take responsibility and accountability. And as long as you're looking for them or anyone to save you, make it better, rescue you, fix you, you're not doing the kind of work that's going to allow you to really heal what you're concerned about.
Absolutely. A wonderful place to end this. Always such a pleasure speaking with you, Dr. Palevsky.